So what is the difference between philosophy and physiology? Recall that psychology began as an integration of philosophy and physiology. Philosophy is the study of fundamental questions about topics like knowledge, existence, and reality. For example, some philosophers ask questions like, how is our understanding of the world biased? Why do biases exist if they limit our perceptions? How do our perceptions differ from reality? Their pursuit of answers to questions like these helped establish the field of psychology. Physiology is the study of how living organisms operate and how their body parts function. This field brought with it a heavy reliance on the scientific method and experimentation. It influenced the early psychologists and other scientists like Charles Darwin and Ivan Pavlov. You'll learn more about their contributions in the next lecture. Before we explore a personalistic history of philosophy in the context of psychology, let's review the major time periods of world history. This timeline illustrates 7 eras, starting with the Egyptian period from about 4000 BC to 1000 BCE. Then, the Greek and Roman periods. We'll learn more about the contributions of Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle later in this lecture. Then, the Christian Dark Ages from 476 CCE until 1517 CE. The Renaissance in the 1415 and 1600s was a time of exploration and social change, a time when people were motivated to overcome the classical approaches of the Middle Ages. People were driven to move forward across many disciplines. Yet religion still played a major role in people's everyday lives and how they viewed the world. Then, in the early 1500s, the scientific revolution, which is not depicted here in this timeline, took place and modern science was born. Then, during the age of the Enlightenment, in the 16, 17, and 1800s, people began to rely more on science and reason to understand the world, and less on religion. Which brings us to the establishment of psychology in the late 1800s, which is considered part of modern history. In the limited amount of time we have in these lectures, we'll cover only a small portion of the people and events that shaped the field over the years.